everyone, welcome back to RTS, and what do we have in store for today? I'm sitting here with just hearts in my eyes because I'm looking at a huge stack of paper pads. Yes, paper pads. Who doesn't love paper pads? We all love paper pads. But do we use our paper pads? That's where the microphone just dropped, right? So I have something coming up on this channel, and I don't want to say it's a series, and I don't want to say it's a challenge, because it's probably going to be something that's going to stay on this channel for a while, and it's going to be talking about paper pads and then using paper pads. Okay, so I thought, what would we do? And we would talk a little bit about what we're going to do, and I already know it's going to be called Paper Pad Party. Okay, that's what my little girl said I should call it, and that's what we're going to call it, Paper Pad Party. Yes, so I'm going to talk a little bit about what we're going to do, and then when everything will start. Okay, so do you have paper pads in your inventory? And you notice I said inventory. We don't use stash. We say inventory because it means a lot to us. It is something we put money, time, energy, and effort into. It's inventory. We keep it nice, right? Why do we keep organizing it if we don't want to keep it nice, right? So our inventory. So do you have papers just because they're unique and they're just heavyweight? I do. Or do you have paper pads in your room, your space, your little cubby hole, your closet? Do you have paper pads because it's summertime and we want to scrap summer, but you really don't know where they're at? Or do you have paper pads that are just absolutely gorgeous and you had something in mind, but yet you forgot all about it? Or do you have paper pads that you bought for a specific theme? Or are you like me and you have a lot of outdoor photos and you do outdoor layouts? Do you have these type of paper pads? Or do you have military photos to do, military family layouts to do? And if you're military family, thank you. We love you. We appreciate our freedom, all because of you. Can I get an amen? Yes. So if you're a military family, you have military papers. You have Americana papers. But are you using them? Okay. Oh, and then what about our beloved Christmas? Oh my, Christmas paper pads. Well, that's another whole topic, isn't it? Okay. Do we know how many do we have? Do we really know how many we have? Or did you buy paper pads because it's specialty cardstock? And do you even know what you bought? Or did you buy paper pads just because it was cardstock? Okay. You still with me? Okay. Or do you have paper pads because of a specific designer? Jen Hatfield. Oh, love, love, love. Okay. Or do you have paper pads because you thought they would probably be good for card making? Okay. Or did you buy a paper pad because you had a coupon and then another coupon and then they were on sale? And then you not only bought one, but you might buy two and maybe three if we're being honest. Okay? Do you have those type of hot buy paper pads? Or do you go with me to the store and you just see pretty paper and you want to bring it home? I mean, paper is my downfall. It's my jam. Okay? Did any of that make sense? Did any of that, were you shaking your head? Yes. Was any of that, were you raising your hand? But I'm not done yet. Okay? Do you have paper pads that aren't 12 by 12 but 6 by 6 in different collections, different manufacturers, different designers? Would that be you? Okay. Or let's go another step further. I'm already running out of room. Or do you have paper pads that are an 8 by 8 size? Okay. Do you have those? Do you even know where they're at? Let's be honest. Okay. But then we're not done yet. Okay. Do you have paper pads? If you hear a crash, that'll just be those paper pads I just showed. Or do you have paper pads that don't even fit into a size? I mean, what are these? 4.5 by 6.5. I mean, they don't even really fit a size, but we have them and we love them. You know, you got to use that coupon. Okay. But then I'm not done yet. Do you have paper pads that are treated papers? You know, specialty, corrugated, burlap, cork, glitter. You know where I'm going with all of this. Okay. So what is a girl to do? Okay, so if you are like me and you love your paper pads and you want to organize your paper pads in a better manner to fit your style, and also then to use your paper pads, then you need to come along with our paper pad party. So that means be a subscriber, hit the notification button. And so then what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how I organize mine, and that may not mean it fits for your style, but maybe it'll spark an idea for how it can help you in your space. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. For a couple weeks, we're going to talk about organizing paper pads, taking inventory of our inventory, seeing what we have, seeing what may need to be purged, and then we're going to start using our paper pads. And so this will not have a set schedule because it will be a regular feature on this channel. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to talk about it. So if you're anxious to start doing something with your paper pads now before the first video comes up, what can you do? Well, the first thing I would suggest is looking around to see where all your paper pads are, okay? And that doesn't mean you have to dig them out, put them in a pile. We'll get out to all of that later. What you simply could do right now is just kind of take a visual inventory of what you have and where you have it, and then we'll run from there, okay? So stay tuned, hit that notification button, hit that subscribe button, because we will be coming, we will be talking about paper pads a lot on this channel because it's something I love and it's something I use. And I'll be honest with you, I have a lot of paper pads in all sizes and shapes and colors and manufacturers. So I'm right there with you. And I could just sit here for another hour and keep pounding on here, okay? So honestly, if you want to start using your paper pads in a more efficient manner and stop just buying to buy to buy, and then they get in a pile and then we don't use them, raising your hand. I know, I'm right there with you. But I mean, I do love using them. And we used them, or we bought them, so why not use them, right? Okay, so if you want to join in this luscious paper pad party, get some chips and dip and come along. Okay, so the first video talking about how we can start organizing our paper pads will be coming up in a week or two, okay? So I don't have a set schedule. It will be when it will be. Okay, so that's all I have for today and our paper pad party. So stay tuned, because on RTS, you never know what we're going to learn. Bye.